Hello, Rakan.
Yeah,
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, what are you doing here?
I see the library
Why, why do you see the library?
because I like library. In there, and then in there I can reading a book.
What are your favorite book?
My favorite book is history.
Oh,
And you, what your favorite place in the school?
my favorite place is laboratorium
Why you why you like it?
because I like learning about IT and it's fun.
Who is the teacher?
The teacher is Mr. Ari.
Is he so fun? Is he funny?
Yes, it's very fun and kind.
Okay, thank you for the time. Bye bye,
Yes,
Gus.
yes, of course.